The MESTEK Clamp Meter TRMS 6000 is an essential tool for electricians and DIY enthusiasts, capable of measuring up to 600 amperes of alternating or direct current accurately. Its non-contact voltage detection feature allows users to quickly identify voltage presence without the need to touch any wires, enhancing safety during usage. Equipped with a backlit screen and LED flashlight, this clamp meter ensures clear visibility of readings even in poorly lit conditions, making it convenient for various environments. A versatile tool, it offers multiple functionalities including temperature measurement, data hold, and automatic range selection, making it suitable for diverse applications. The device prioritizes safety with its compliance to overvoltage category Cat 3 1000 volts and Cat 4 600 volts standards, alongside overload protection across all ranges. MESTEK provides excellent customer service with a 24-month warranty and technical support, ensuring users have a reliable experience with their purchase.